Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because we'll be unboxing and reviewing the IQOO NEO 6, one of the latest high-end smartphones on the market. I've been eagerly waiting for this, so let's jump right into it. First impressions matter, and the IQOO NEO 6 doesn't disappoint. The phone has a premium look and feel, thanks to its sleek design and sturdy build quality. The front is dominated by a gorgeous AMOLED display with thin bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience. Speaking of the display, the Neo 6 boasts a crisp and vibrant 6.58-inch FHD plus AMOLED panel. Colors pop, and the brightness levels are impressive, making it enjoyable for multimedia and gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest flagship processor and generous RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming performance. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities of the IQOO NEO 6. It houses a versatile triple camera setup on the back, including a high-resolution primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor for portrait shots. The photos come out sharp, with good dynamic range and accurate colors. Low-light performance is commendable, thanks to its capable night mode. Battery life is crucial for power users, and the IQOO NEO 6 delivers with its sizable battery capacity. I found that it easily lasts me a full day of heavy usage. Plus, the phone supports fast charging, which means you can juice up your phone in no time. The Neo 6 runs on IQOO's custom skin based on Android, which provides a clean and intuitive user experience. It comes with a host of useful features like game mode, which optimizes the phone's performance while gaming, and a variety of customization options. One of the standout features of the IQOO NEO 6 is its 5G connectivity, ensuring you stay future-proofed for faster data speeds. In conclusion, the IQOO NEO 6 is a solid high-end smartphone that offers an excellent balance of performance, design, and camera capabilities. It's a great choice for tech enthusiasts and gamers.